Did you know that marketing is the backbone of every successful business? It's not just about selling products, it's about creating value and building relationships. I'm Professor Robinson, your guide this semester. Let's explore how marketing plays a pivotal role in organizational success. Marketing isn't just a department, it's a philosophy that permeates every aspect of a business. From understanding consumer needs to crafting strategies, marketing is the engine that drives growth and innovation. Welcome to Marketing 3301. This course is designed to give you a comprehensive understanding of marketing principles. Expect to spend 6 to 9 hours weekly on assignments and readings to stay on track. Weekly assignments are crucial. Falling behind can make it challenging to catch up. Stay engaged with the material, check the announcements at least twice a week, and make the most of your learning experience. The marketing mix is the heart of marketing strategy. It includes product, price, place, and promotion. Each element works together to create value for customers and drive business success. The first of the four P's is product. Although marketing is a multifaceted function, its fundamental purpose is to create value by developing a variety of offerings, including goods, services, and ideas to satisfy customer needs. The second of the four P's is price. Everything has a price, although it doesn't always have to be monetary. Price, therefore, is everything the buyer gives up, money, time, and/or energy, in exchange for the product. The third P, place, represents all the activities necessary to get the product to the right customer when that customer wants it. Creative locations, such as kiosks in airports or exclusive brand specific spaces in department stores, represent an effort to improve a firm's offering on this dimension of the marketing mix. The fourth P is promotion. Even the best products and services will go unsold if marketers cannot communicate their value to customers. Promotion is communication by a marketer that informs, persuades, and reminds potential buyers about a product or service to influence their opinions and elicit a response. Success in online learning requires the right tools. Engage with classmates, form study groups, and utilize academic resources. These strategies will enhance your learning experience and academic performance. Looking to boost your grade? Consider optional assignments like the SONA survey or inbound marketing certification. These opportunities not only offer extra credit, but also enrich your understanding of marketing. By engaging in these activities, you'll gain valuable insights and skills. Take advantage of these opportunities to enhance your learning and stand out in your academic journey. Let's make the most of this course together.